In this video, we'll talk about how to use past and present tense when writing about related research. This says something about your assessment of the information you are presenting, and it is important to be aware of. When you refer to related research in your thesis, you're usually describing previous research as part of your introduction or discussion to frame your own study. These parts of your thesis are usually written in the past tense. This is the most natural approach, as all previous studies were conducted in the past. In some cases, however, you might want to refer to previous research in the present tense. Whether you use past or present tense when referring to previous research says something about your assessment of the knowledge you present. Sometimes you present information that you consider as widely recognized and accepted facts, and use the present tense to show that this is relevant beyond one specific study. Use the present tense when you want to show that the information is accepted as a fact. For example, if you say, climate change leads to sea level rise, IPCC 2014. When you use the present tense in this sentence, it implies that you accept sea level rise due to climate change as an undisputable fact that is widely recognized and occurs globally. If you, however, use the past tense in the same sentence, you show that some relationship and trend has been found in one specific study, but may not be accepted as a general knowledge. For example, if you say Brown et al. 2014 found that due to climate change, sea levels were rising in the Kingdom of Tonga. This states that one particular study from Tonga found that sea level rise was caused by climate change. But this is not accepted as a general fact or something that occurs on a global scale. The first example describes sea level rise due to climate change as a global phenomenon, while the second as a local phenomenon. These were made-up examples to illustrate how you can present previous research in two different ways, which also implies different things on how you assess this knowledge. Always be conscious on how you present related knowledge in your thesis, and be careful with what you present as general and accepted knowledge.